What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Snorlax from Pokemon. Now I want to begin today's lesson in the center of the page with the face. Let's start with the eyelid. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left. We're going to curve the eye coming down and then up. Let's go all the way over towards the right side and do the same thing. Let's go in between the eyes, step down and add a curve for the mouth. Coming down and then up. And then on either side, we're going to draw a small fang going up to a point and then back down. Let's add that trim going around the face. We're going to start right in the middle of the head, start with a point, bend this out and then up towards the left and right side. And then from the top, we're just going to curve around the eye, come down and just bend that in, go to the top right and do the same thing. Going around the eye and then bending that in. From these 2 points, let's step up and draw the inside edge of the ears. We're going to go up towards the left and then out and do the same thing on the right. Come around the outside and then bend that in. From the base of the ear along the inside, let's step up and draw a curve for the head, going up and then down. Now let's go to the outside of the ear, curve the head, going all the way around, come down, and just blend that in towards the bottom. Now with the head complete, let's stretch the arms out towards the side. We're going to start from the outside of the head, then the arm going out, and then down. Let's line this up on the right, going out, and then down. Let's round up the arm, come in and then up towards the body. Let's add 3 small claws on the end of the hand. We're going to start right in the middle with a point. And we'll add 1 more on either side. Now from the inside of the arm, let's step up and draw the side of the body. We're going to go out and then bend that down towards the feet. Now I want to place the feet on top of the body. From the bottom of the body, we're going to draw an oval coming out in an angle, come down towards the heel, and then back up towards the top. Let's do the same thing on the right. Coming down towards the heel, going all the way around the outside of the foot, and then back in. In between the feet, let's draw a curve for the body, coming down the middle, and then bend that back up. Now in between the foot and the body, we're going to add another curve for the back of the leg. Now I'm going to go back up underneath the head, draw a trim, and go out, down, and then in on top of the feet. Along the bottom of the heel, let's draw a smaller oval, going all the way around. And then just like we did with the hands, we're going to add 3 small pointed toes. Let's start with 1 in the middle, going up and then down. And we'll add 1 on either side. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Snorlax from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you again soon.